In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Dometic hot water heater. I purchased two brand new travel trailers, and on both of them, the Dometic hot water heater would not work. And thanks to Good Sam Tech Service, they helped me troubleshoot, figure out it's this diode that you're viewing right now. There's a piece of wire a few inches long, and in the center there's a diode. The purpose is to shut off the hot water heater if it overheats. Well, it turns out that diode is defective in many of the brand new Dometic hot water heaters. That's what it looks like right there. You can purchase it. We paid $30 for it out on the road. You could probably get it cheaper. Anyhow, so what you do is you just pull that section out and you hook the wire straight onto it and you bypass it. Now the hazard is if it overheats, it'll catch on fire. So you want to replace it as soon as possible. So I'm actually right now, you can see me replacing it. There's a brand new one that I just purchased. And what I found is the tabs at the end are too tight. So I had to take a really small screwdriver. This is where your toolbox comes in handy. And you actually twist the screwdriver a little bit and open up the little tabs and make them wider. And then you're able to take a pair of pliers and push it right onto the little metal tab on the hot water heater electrical panel there, which I'm doing right now.
See that?
So just go ahead and slide that right on. And then as soon as you take that wire, as soon as you touch it to it, I found the gas, the flame instantly turned on. And I could tell that was the problem. Anyhow, there's the quick solution. Again, I want to say thank you to Good Sam Technical Service. I called them up and they immediately told me what the problem was. It's a known defect, and I hope this helps you.